SSCCGL English 50 important phrases. 1. According to, meaning English, as stated by or in agreement with someone or something, Hindi के अनुसार. 2. In accordance with, meaning English, in conformity with a rule or law, Hindi के अनुरूप. 3. In addition to, meaning English, besides as well as Hindi के अतिरिक्त. 4. In charge of, meaning English, having control or responsibility for something, Hindi का प्रभारी. 5. In favor of, meaning English, supporting or approving someone or something, Hindi के पक्ष में. 6. In search of, meaning English, trying to find someone or something, Hindi की तलाश में. 7. In spite of, meaning English, without being affected by something, Hindi के बावजूद. 8. In place of, meaning English, instead of someone or something, Hindi के स्थान पर. 9. On behalf of, meaning English, representing another person or group, Hindi की ओर से. 10. With regard to, meaning English, concerning or about something, Hindi के संबंध में. 11. By means of, meaning English, using a particular method or instrument, Hindi के माध्यम से. 12. In case of, meaning English, if something happens, Hindi की स्थिति में. 13. As well as, meaning English, in addition to, Hindi साथ ही. 14. In front of, meaning English, before or ahead of someone or something, Hindi के सामने. 15. On account of, meaning English, because of Hindi के कारण. 16. At the time of, meaning English, during a particular event or period, Hindi के समय. 17. For the sake of, meaning English, for the benefit of someone or something, Hindi की खातिर. 18. In order to, meaning English, for the purpose of Hindi ताकि. 19. Due to, meaning English, because of Hindi के कारण. 20. Apart from, meaning English, except for besides, Hindi के अलावा. 21. Instead of, meaning English, in place of Hindi के बजाय. 22. Out of, meaning English, because of or from Hindi के कारण / से बाहर. 23. By the way, meaning English, incidentally while talking, Hindi वैसे. 24. At least, meaning English, not less than Hindi, कम से कम. 25. At once, meaning English, immediately, Hindi तुरंत. 26. At present, meaning English, at the current time, Hindi वर्तमान में. 27. On time, meaning English, at the scheduled time, Hindi समय पर. 28. In time, meaning English, before it is too late, Hindi समय रहते. 29. By chance, meaning English, accidentally, Hindi संयोग से. 30. By mistake, meaning English, accidentally, in error, Hindi गलती से. 31. Without, meaning English, certainly without missing, Hindi अवश्य. 32. At all, meaning English, in any way, to any extent, Hindi बिल्कुल भी. 33. No longer, meaning English, not anymore, Hindi अब नहीं. 34. So far, meaning English, up to the present time, Hindi अब तक. 35. As soon as, meaning English, immediately after Hindi जैसे ही. 36. As far as, meaning English, to the extent that, Hindi जहाँ तक. 37. In brief, meaning English, in a few words, Hindi संक्षेप में. 38. In detail, meaning English, with full information, Hindi विस्तार से. 39. At first, meaning English, in the beginning, Hindi शुरुआत में. 40. At last, meaning English, finally, Hindi अंततः. 41. For instance, meaning English, as an example, Hindi उदाहरण के लिए. 42. In fact, meaning English, actually, indeed, Hindi वास्तव में. 43. Of course, meaning English, certainly, naturally, Hindi निःसंदेह. 44. As a result, meaning English, consequently, Hindi परिणामस्वरूप. 45. In general, meaning English, generally speaking, Hindi सामान्यतः. 46. By and large, meaning English, on the whole, generally, Hindi कुल मिलाकर. 47. At random, meaning English, without a definite plan, Hindi बिना सोचे समझे. 48. On purpose, meaning English, intentionally, Hindi जानबूझकर. 49. For good, meaning English, permanently, Hindi हमेशा के लिए. 50. From time to time, meaning English, occasionally, Hindi समय समय पर. ये लिस्ट SSCCGL की ले यूजफुल कॉमन इंग्लिश फ्रेजेस का है. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें. इस हाई डेली प्रैक्टिस की ले.